Pat, a socialist president was elected in France and Greece took another turn for the worse. Is it time to be taking some money out of the stock market?
I don't think so. I think that short-term approach of reacting to really random sort of events is going to have to cost you money in the long run. So looking at especially now, I mean, the stock market's been basically depressed for 13 years. It hasn't really done much for 13 years. And the last time it did anything like that was in the mid-60s through the early 70s, and when it finally got going, it really took off. And I think we'll see something like that sometime, maybe next year, maybe 5 years from now. I don't know, but I think now that we're looking at relatively modest risk and a lot of upward potential. But the thing is, we don't know when things are going to change, obviously, because there's that random element in the stock market. But to get back to your question, we've been living with these fears since last year and beyond, and I think people would just kind of are waiting for the other shoe to drop, and that's not the same as being surprised by a development like the fall of Lehman Brothers, for example. So just to answer your question, for long-term investors should hang on to a well-established portfolio of this area, a portfolio of well-established stocks that work for them and are the right degree of risk for their temperament and their objectives.